Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Revolve, Grid, Chamfer, create a new plane, Loft, and the sphere. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch here. And here is the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we create a line here with 7.5 millimeters, okay, a half of 15, and create this line 2 millimeters and create this sketch here. We'll put the dimensions later, okay, no problem. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane, select a line, click here, 7.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters here, okay, and here create this sketch. We made this. The distance between this point here and this point here is 12 millimeters, okay? And the distance between this point and the midpoint here is 4 millimeters. Is a half of M8, okay? So go to sketch dimension, 4 millimeters here, and the distance here, 12 millimeters. We made this, okay? So finish the sketch, go to Revolve features, the axis, select this line here, operation new body, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now, we needed to make a thread here. So the thread M8X1, and the distance of the thread is 10 millimeters, okay? After this, we'll make the chamfer with 0.5 millimeters. So go to create and select the thread, select this edge here, the size M8 and the designation M8X1, remove the modulet and remove the full length and the offset here 0 and the length 10 millimeters and press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to modify and select the chamfer and select this edge. The chamfer here is 0.5 millimeters and press OK. Now edit the thread and select here modulet and press OK. We made this, okay. Now we will select this plane here and we'll make a circle with 10 millimeters in the center, okay. So go to create a sketch, select this face here, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle with 10 millimeters of diameter and finish the sketch. We made this, okay. Now here we will create a new plane, and the distance between the new plane and this plane here, this face, is 74 millimeters. We will create this plane here, okay. So go to construct, select the offset plane, select this face here, 74 millimeters of length, and press OK. Now go to create a sketch and select this new plane. Here in this new plane, we will create a circle with 5.35 millimeters of diameter, and the center of the circle, the distance between the center and the midpoint here is 30 millimeters, okay. So select the circle, make a circle here with 5.35 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 30 millimeters, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint here, okay. We made this, finish the sketch. Now we'll make the rail here, this line here in the center, okay. So we'll select the front plane to make this. So go to create a sketch and select the right plane, sorry. And here, go to create, select the project, include the project, and select this point here and press OK. Now here we will create a line here with 20 millimeters and create a line here with 30 millimeters and create another line here, okay, with 54 millimeters. So select line, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here, okay, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here 20 millimeters, here is 54, okay, and we need to create these two arcs here, one fillet with 15 millimeters and the other one with 10 millimeters, okay. So go to modify, select the fillet, 10 millimeters here and 15 millimeters here. Okay, we made this. Now finish the sketch. And let me rotate this a little bit. We have this, okay. Go to create and select Loft. And the profile, select the circle and this one, okay. And now click here to select the rails. And the guide type, select the center line and select this line here. Operation join and press OK. We made this, okay. Now, to finish this exercise, we need to create this sphere with 30 millimeters of diameter. So here we'll go to create and select a sphere. Select this face here. Now we'll take the center of this arc. When you see this circle, it means that is the center of the circle, okay? And the diameter here is 13 millimeters and the operation is join and press OK. We made this. So here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.